Hey guys, welcome back for another SAT math prep session. Today's question is, the number that results when an integer is multiplied by itself cannot end in which of the following digits? Okay, so this question kind of confused me at first because when I looked at it, I was kind of thinking that it was saying which of these options, when multiplied itself, does not end in its own digit, or end in these digits, but it's actually not like that. It's asking when any integer is multiplied by itself, and which of these are not going to be, I guess, the last digit. Okay, so I tried to clear that up. I'm not sure if I did, but let's just move on. So we only have to try multiplying 0 through 9, or at least 0 by 0 or 1 by 1. We only have to do it for 0 to 9 because any other integer, like 10 or 22 or anything like that, it's just going to be 0 times 0 for this and 2 times 2 for this, because we're just looking at the last digit, which only depends on the last digit of the answer only depends on the last digits of the two factors you're multiplying. Okay, so we only have to do this for integers 0 through 9, so let's get started. 0 times 0 is 0, and that's not one of the options, but anyways, 1 times 1 equals 1. So so that means 1 is possible. You can get an integer that has the last digit 1. So A is out because we're trying to find something that cannot end in the above options. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 is also possible. B is out. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, that's not one of the options. Moving on. 4 times 4 is 16. So 6 is also possible because, so that option is out. 5 times 5, excuse me, is 25. So 5 is also possible, so C is out. And we're left with E. So that is probably our answer, but we can just keep checking anyways. But on the actual SATs, when you might not have enough time, this should be sufficient, what we've done so far. So 6 times 6 is 36. We've already shown that 6 is already possible. 7 times 7 equals 49. 8 times 8 is 64. Yeah, 4 is already on there. We've already shown that. And lastly, 9 times 9 is 81. So 1 is possible as well. And so none of these digits, none of these options have shown 8 as the last digit. So we've basically proven that 8 is the only integer that only digit that is not possible when you multiply an integer by itself. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you join us for our next video as well.